Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful freeform embroidered napkins for summer entertaining. And we're making a really cool stencil with my Surebonder glue gun, and we're dyeing them with my Derwent Inktense blocks. This is a really fun technique. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some summer napkins. It has been claimed that Leonardo da Vinci invented the napkin in 1491. According to this claim, the Duke of Milan, Ludovico Sforza, used to tie up live rabbits decorated with ribbons to the guests' chairs so they could wipe their hands on the animal's back. The first embroidery machine was the hand embroidery machine, invented in France in 1832 by Josue Helman. Early embroidery can be traced back to the Cro-Magnon days, or about 30,000 BC. Archaeological finds from this time period reveal fossilized remains of heavily hand-stitched and decorated clothing. I'm going to leave a link to Surebonder and Derwent in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.